How important is identity? Especially when you're in terms of an investigation. In a crime scene, you just can't point on someone without a proof towards suspect. In a group, how can we be familiar for each member? Because you know the identity of each members, right? And if you notice a new face joining your group meetings, you would be suspicious because you don't know the identity of the person who just joined. Files work that way. Computer file, perhaps. They made use of these hashing algorithms to provide an ID from it. In this video, I'll discuss some overview of what hashing is and a walkthrough of the tool I created for it. And now that we have that out of the way, cue the intro. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the application's simple GUI. So there are three hash algorithms that I set for this tool. We have SHA-1, SHA-256, and MD5. And I set it out with a simple, basic menu option here, wherein if you wanted to convert a file into SHA-1, you just input 1. And if you wanted to convert to SHA-256, input 2. And if you wanted to convert to MD5, input 3. Or if you want to exit the program, you can input 4. You know this brand's trademark, right? Inputs can be single or multiple. We'll try them both and cross-check and validate this if hash results are same with other platform out there. Let's get started and run this. So let's first start with SHA-1. I have that right there. So right now we are going to test directory first. It wouldn't ask you to what directory or path. So right now I'm gonna have this one folder here. Say I have this one folder which is whois right now, and I wanted to check all the hashes that this folder contain. So we have that right there. This is what the folder contain, and with that let's try single file. So SHA-1 again, but this time it's gonna be file. So let's try the accuracy of this one. Alright, let's say we wanted to just have this one, so it must input the same. So let's see about that. There you go. It does create the same hash right there. Let's check one of these file. Specifically, let's check this one. I think VirusTotal right now, if they produce the same hash result. So let's say I want to upload the file, and so this is the result. And check on details right now. Alright. So as you can see here, it created the same SHA-1 hash right here. Then let's upload another one. Let's say we wanted to verify this one. Confirm upload. SHA-1 is 067. Produce the same hash. Just 06C7. First 4 characters and the last 4 is 3EF2. So yeah, we're finished with SHA-1, and let's proceed to the next algorithm, which is the SHA-256. So in the SHA-256, so if we want to convert it to SHA-256, we have input the option 2. Go to directory first. So let's have the same path right here, just for a uniformity of this demo. And yeah, we have this one as our input, and the path is, let's have that as our path. So it converted into the directory right now. We check a single file, see if it works. Let's say we have check IP here, and get right there, SHA-256 file, and the file name. Alright, so BE4314F, BE47314-4F. It's the same. So let's check it via VirusTotal. Okay. So we have that one right there. PYCs must be BEE4. So yeah, they produce the same hash right here, BEE4, then 7314F. Alright, they're the same. Next is the MD5. Lastly, the MD5. So convert the file. Menu is 3. Check on there. Directory path. Same folder. So and alright. So that's the file right there. And then we check one. And let's say we have this. PUSF, CSV. Convert file to MD3 again. This time it's file. The file name is that one. 1DF. Right, it's the same. 1DF93. Then 1DF93. And CA07F7. CA07F7. Alright. Let's try another file right here. Let's say MD5 file. Let's try this. IP test.txt. File name. It's the file name right there. 2B46. Then last one is 562FB. And IP test. Right there. 2B46. 562FB. They're the same. Alright, so let's have this. Let's upload this. Check if they have the same result. Let's see here. It's done now. Okay, let's see the details. IP test the text. IP test the text here, and the MD5 is the same. F82B4 62FB. Alright. So I think our program is working. Hashing algorithm is correct. So we have a simple C++ file here, and this file contains this codes right here. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to import one file that has the same content, and they must produce the same hash, but this time they have different file name. So we have int main, simple hello world would do. So we have cout, then hello, just simple hello, return 0. We're all set. So yeah, we have same file right here. They have the same size but different file name. They have the same file type, and they have the same content. Alright, so they must produce the same hash. Let's go back to the program, and so we wanted to convert this to SHA-2 and directory. Convert to the directory. So they must give us the same hash. Different file name, same content, and same file hash. Alright. And I think that's gonna do for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Oops. Wait right there. Alright? Wait right there. We ain't done yet. I want you to think this over, and comment down if you're thinking what I'm thinking. Where could this lead us to? What big project this simple feature leads me? You can go to my website and check it on. This is Ken from Cybercron. We'll hibernate for now, and cue that music.